Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we connect you to Samoan language and culture. Today we are going to teach you a lesson about how to read in Samoan. So when I first graduated from my Bachelor of Arts, I was a AmeriCorps Vista at Kuhio Elementary School, where I organized their after school program and was also a remedial reading tutor. And so in that position I was trained in several different reading systems, and one of them was phonographics, which I was able to see firsthand how it made a difference and how it actually worked in non-English speaking readers, as well as readers who were just a little bit behind. And so I have adapted the phonographics method, which is actually research based and has the research behind it to show that it actually works, and it is a great tool to teach reading. And I have also adapted it and made it so that we could use it to teach Samoan, teach your children how to read in Samoan. And so we have a few lessons that we include in the episodes of Tamaiti. So if you're looking for your child to learn Samoan language and more about the Samoan culture, then the Tamaiti Video Subscription is your answer. The link is below in the description. Make sure to check it out. So this excerpt is directly from the Tamaiti videos. So if you find value in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So we'll take you now to the how to read in Samoan. It's time for our Samoan word of the day. Are you ready? Our Samoan word is a number. Do we know what number this is? This is the number 9. And in Samoan, the number 9 is iwa. So our word for today is iwa. Remember, we're going to do our rainbow of sounds. So we're going to find out what sounds are in the word iwa. Are you ready? So when I wiggle my fingers, listen out for that sound, okay? So we're going to start here. E, ah. E, ah. What sound did we hear over here? The E sound. Lele tele. We're going to listen out for this sound now. Are we ready? E, ah. E, ah. What sound did we hear up here? The sound. Lele tele. Now we're listening for our last sound in the word iwa. Are we ready? So we have E, ah. E, ah. What sound did we hear down here? The ah sound. Lele tele. So we've got E, ah. Iwa, and iwa is number 9. Number 9. Iwa. And iwa is number 9. Lele tele. Thank you so much for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. Remember, if you loved this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, because your subscription helps us to know that we're actually making a difference in the lives of people around the world, and it also helps us to be motivated and to know that this is something that you actually want to happen in this world. And so yes, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and tell us down below which part of the video you liked the most. Okay, thank you, and we will see you again. Toi whai loa'i.